Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I'm so excited to tell you about a newly launched Divine Love collection by Jeulia Jewelry. And a great thing is they're actually donating some of the proceeds to go towards the Breast Cancer Foundation for this month being Breast Cancer Awareness Month. Great, amazing thing. So if you want to know which one I chose and what this is all about, then stay tuned. Okay, you guys. So again, the Divine Love collection just launched, and they did actually send this to me for review to show you guys. So thank you so much for sending me one of your amazing rings. And I'm super glad that I get to tell you guys about this opportunity that they're doing. So we all get to help each other. I love when people donate. They donate in general, but this is a special collection that they're donating just for this month for the Breast Cancer Awareness Month. So let me go ahead and just tell you a little bit about it, and I will show you their new collection as I'm telling you, and then we'll dive in and see which one I chose. When you're going through and looking at all of the pieces for this, kind of keep in mind, what do you think Tracy chose? And then see if you were right. That would be a cool little game for you guys as you're seeing it. So here is the new Divine Love collection. The pink morganite of this collection is a sign of hope, inspiring warm and comforting feelings, a sense that everything will be okay. October is Breast Cancer Awareness Month, and Jeulia Jewelry is partnering with the National Breast Cancer Foundation Incorporated to spread the awareness, provide the support with women in need, and save lives through early detection. $2 per unit sale of each product in this collection will be donated to the National Breast Cancer Foundation Incorporated. Jeulia Jewelry's donation will play a vital role in helping the NBCF Foundation provide mammograms and breast health services to women in need, helping to make a difference for those facing breast cancer. So again, once I read that, I'm like, oh my gosh, that is an amazing thing. For them to even celebrate breast cancer for October is a great thing, but then for them to come up with their entire collection based on this month and to donate $2 per unit sold to the foundation is absolutely amazing. So anything from that particular collection, again, will have that donation. If you purchase anything else from their shop, you can definitely do that. They do donate to other causes as well, just in general. And you can always use my code, which is SheCrafty15, to save 15% off if you are interested. So if you want to see what I chose, now that you saw the whole collection, did you see one in mind that you thought I might have chose? Let's go ahead and dive in, and I will show you exactly how it comes. They always come gift ready, so if you do purchase anything for a gift, they have you covered. If it's for yourself, even great, you get to spoil yourself. It comes in this, if it's just one piece, the more you get, obviously the box will be accommodated for the amount of jewelry that you're purchasing, but this is generally about the size that it comes, and it'll be in a mailer bag. When you open up their box, this is how it comes. Now, one thing I do want to tell you, if you're getting anything size, so if you do purchase a ring, on the ring, there will be a little tag. Do not remove the tag unless you know it fits 100%. So take the ring out, try it on the finger that you're wanting. If it fits 100%, then you're good to go. Cut that bad boy off and you're fine. If you do cut that off and it doesn't fit, it voids your warranty. So keep that on until you know that it works and it fits and all of that before, because then if it is on there and it's not the right size, they will make it right by returning it and doing a different size for you. So that's what this says right here. Stop, drop, and roll is what I like to say. So it does go with, it talks about their warranty and all of that inside of this brochure. They always give you their current catalog right on top, which is amazing just to go through, sit down and read about. Some stuff's their brand new collection. Some stuff might be their other collections that they've had to reintroduce you. But I always love to just sit here and look through everything just because I love their jewelry. And they don't just have jewelry. I mean, this is a jewelry company, but they also sell bags and sunglasses. They have watches. They have amazing jewelry boxes, or just jewelry cases if you wanted to give it to somebody. Some of them might even have dried roses, or they move and do things. So they have a lot of other things on their site. So if you want to check them out, they will be linked down below, and SheCrafty15 will get you 15% off. So they always send you a bag right on top. This is where I'm saying if it is for a gift, they have you covered, because then all you have to do is open this, pull out your strings. Down inside of here, You have a greeting card so you can write to somebody and then put it right back in there. Here is a cleaning cloth. They come in several different colors. This time we have green. If this is for you though, take your cleaning cloth out so you can clean your jewelry, because then you don't need this. And then if it is a gift, you take your little, whichever you're purchasing, drop it down in here, and it is gift ready, all ready to go. I just love their packaging and how they think of that. But again, if it's not for a gift, remove your cleaning cloth so you can clean your own jewelry. And then we'll dive into the box. They always come in nice hard boxes that you can keep them in, store them in as well. So here is the box, and then you open it up. That is the one I chose. Were any of you guys correct? Did you choose this? Did you think I was gonna choose this one? I honestly thought this was just so pretty. I'm not normally a pinky kind of gal, even though my birthstone is October. So this is my birth month. And we actually have two. There's opal, and then there's like one that starts with a T that's actually a pink color. So I thought this was really cool because then it kind of reminds me of my own birthstone. But look at how gorgeous this ring is. Super shiny. Oh my gosh, I just love their proprietary stones. They just take so much pride in how they make all of their jewelry. Nothing has ever broke, came damaged, anything like that. I wear their jewelry on my hands every single day. Oh, see this little tag right here? That's what I was telling you. Do not remove that. Don't cut that off until you know that it's good. This was sent to me, so it doesn't matter. It would be my fault if I told them the wrong size. So I always remove it no matter what. But I have purchased things from them myself. And then, yes, I make sure that it does fit. But I kind of have this down. Like, I bought a little sizer, so I kind of know my sizes for my fingers. I bought it off of Amazon. It's a cheap little set, but it's been working so far. Like, it's been great. So again, I have ordered my own, and I make sure that everything fits before removing, because that's what we need to do. And look at that. Oh my gosh, you guys, that is just so dainty and just beautiful and just looks absolutely gorgeous. Like, I love that. Oh my gosh, I love that. And again, to me, that's my birthstone. That looks just like the pink that is my birthstone. So I'm loving that. So that is what I chose, you guys. And I definitely was super excited to tell you guys about this because, again, this is Breast Cancer Awareness Month. So maybe you or you know somebody who has struggled through that or is going through it. It might be a great gift to give them because this stone here is a sign of hope, inspiring warm and comforting feelings. So it does have a lot of meaning behind that stone as well. So it'd be a great gift idea. Holidays are coming up as well, but that's just a great thing. And again, they're donating $2 per unit sold from that specific Divine Love collection to the Breast Cancer Awareness Foundation. And I think that is absolutely amazing because then it can help people with early detection, getting mammograms, or just helping go through the whole process. So I love that. Anytime we can donate and help give back, I'm all for it because then we're all helping each other. If you like a little bit more information about Jeulia Jewelry, I will let you know right about now. When it does come to their ring sizes though, just in case you are interested, they go from a size 3 all the way up to a 15 and half sizes all in between. So you can definitely customize it for all the way up to 15 as the size. Jeulia stone is an excellent alternative to natural gemstones because it is more scratch resistant for everyday wear. Unlike natural gemstones that are mined from the earth using large machinery, explosives, and unsafe working conditions, the Jeulia stone was developed to be more durable with better optical characteristics than of a mined diamond while maintaining an ethical standards to protect our environment. They do have a little chart on their website, and I like to tell you guys this. It's a Jeulia stone versus a mined diamond. Looks like a diamond? Check. Durable? Check. Hardness is a 9 on the Jeulia with a 10 on a mined diamond. So it's only one number under the actual mined diamond. Density is 5.70 for a Jeulia and a 3.52 for a mined diamond. 100% ethically sourced is only for Jeulia. Potential harmful mining is only for a mined diamond, and you will save a whole lot of money going with a Jeulia stone. Measuring an impressive 9 out of a possible 10 on the scale of mineral hardness. With proper care and cleaning, your Jeulia stone can be treasured for a lifetime. Our proprietary stone is hand cut and fastened in-house to shine brilliantly and provide a beautiful sparkle with bright vibrant color. It can also be curated in colorless form, which we use in our jewelry to stimulate the amazing fire and brilliance of a natural diamond. We are confident that you will not find a better alternative in the market that shares the same quality and affordability as our Jeulia stone. Our commitment is to avoid putting more strain on our natural resources with providing gemstones that are 100% traceable. They have 30-day returns, free standard shipping over $99. They have a 1-year warranty, flexible financing, and all of their jewelry is $925 sterling silver. Again, I will link them all down below, and SheCrafty 15 will save you 15% off your total if you are interested. So comment down below and let me know, what do you think of this amazing thing that they are doing for this month with this new collection and the donating? What do you think of all the pieces that are in that collection? What do you think of Jeulia Jewelry? Comment down below and let me know. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye, Crafty crew.